Yeah, every day I heard people talking about love, but they don't really truly know the meaning of love. Yes, I understand. Love is four little words, but to me, love is more special than that. Love, the love I heard people talking about now, they don't really mean it. My love, I don't take my love for granted. If I told you I love you, I love you. I don't play around. I want you to be mine. When I say be mine, I mean be my wife, be my baby mama. I want you to be with me for the rest of my life. When I'm died, I want to be in the heaven with love. I don't want to be in heaven with a heart broke. Trust me, girl, I love you. And I want to be with you for the rest of my life. So, this is what I want to tell you. If you fuck my world up, I'ma fuck your world down. I don't play when it comes to love. Please, listen carefully. Don't break another heart. Keep it strong. When it comes to my heart, keep it. Sew it down to your next heart. Don't be a breaker. Please don't be a heartbreaker. I can't take it. My heart is too weak for that. I wanna be love like everybody else. I don't wanna be a piece of. Please don't be a heartbreaker.